I am Mohammed, an Excel expert. In today's video, I will walk you through over an automated sales workbook I revised for a client in an automotive industry. So basically, he already has a base workbook, but he wants to automate it, all of that stuff to reduce manual work. So the main goal is this workbook to manage all of that stuff with just one click. So client manages 12 different dealerships and 8 different administrators and have many variables to track. So like that, he needed me to for his and for calculate make building formulas and making these calculation even more easier. So I can give you a demo of one simple entry for GM&A administration. So dealership like that. You can see there I can add $2,000 minus. So like that. All of these formulas, premium cancellation, sum cancellation, and a contract. I have built all of these formulas and applied consistent formatting across all these. As you can see there, these get entered in the summary tabs in for these rows and also in the summaries tab that is in the below for all of these columns like that. And this data monthly that roll over to YTD, and this YTD will roll over to all these next month across December like that, as you can see there. This workbook is fully automated. The client is now very happy with these results as it saves him a lot of hours every week or even a month. So thanks for watching. If you would like me to create the like automated reports or tools in Excel like that, so I would love to.